Hi, I'm Michael Holter, and welcome to my Cityscape workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to be teaching you several basic steps to create a cityscape. Things about depth, things about perspective, things about value. It all should work together really well to give you a great understanding of how to create a cityscape. What is unique about my Cityscape workshop is that I take you step by step through the process, and I give you a lot of information. My thought process is really being revealed about how I create this painting. The benefit to you as an artist in painting the way I do is you create a series of layers that will give you depth and distance and give you much more perspective into the cityscape that you're working on. If you love watercolor and you are challenged by cityscapes and the busyness of a place like that, this would be a perfect course for you. It would give you an opportunity to jump in and see how it's developed step by step. So come along and join me as we paint the lights and shadows that form the beautiful scene on Chartres Street in New Orleans.